What up, y'all? It's your man Wayne Train back with another joint. Today I got a Bluetooth waterproof wireless speaker by a company called BUGANI. Let's get it. Yeah. If you ain't done it already, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, do what you gotta do for your boy, help the channel. Oh man, I gotta say shout out to anybody who has been actually subscribing to my channel during my hiatus. I mean, that's what's up. I'm getting real close to my first 100 subscribers. I'm pretty happy about that. I gotta keep putting in the work though. This is my first year of me really considering being serious about YouTube and trying to build this channel up. So 100 subscribers means a lot to me. It's 100 people that have checked out my video, so I'm getting pretty close. So anyway, yeah, like I said, we got the BUGANI Bluetooth speaker here. I ain't gonna hold you much longer. Let me go ahead and get with it. Let me go ahead and get up in here. So, been busy a lot. We actually bought a house, so that's why I don't really have like an area to do my videos anymore. Right now I'm in our soon-to-be bedroom, but nothing is put together. So, yeah, it's been a hectic last couple months, and I wish I had enough time to fit my videos in, but I didn't. So, but now I think I can kind of manage everything better now. So, not that it's getting any less busy, but I mean, I gotta keep going. But anyway, here it is. Black and orange is gonna go with my computer theme, but yeah, I like the build. It's got a nice, it's sturdy. It's got rubber. It's rubberized around the back, around the sides and everything. Look at that. You got your subwoofers right here. We're gonna see how this, man. We're gonna see how this shit sound. We're gonna see how this joint sounds. So I'm looking for some. Okay, so on the side we got some buttons right here. Damn, where are there any plugins? It says it's a power bank, so oh, here we go. Sorry about that. Bam. So there's all your stuff. Is that? So it's not USB-C. Yeah. So I don't think it's USB-C, but you can connect like your SD card right there, micro SD. You got an auxiliary cable, and we got our regular USB out jack. So let's see if there's any juice. I'm gonna go ahead and pair it up to one of these phones. Let's see. Okay. I probably should have held that. Hold on. Maybe. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna connect it to the iPad. It may not be. Oh, there we go. Got connection. All right. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna jump on one of my videos and let's get some. We gotta test it out. That's what we gotta do. I gotta hear some music. I'm gonna shout out to my guy. It's my guy Nucky. I'm about to play one of his joints. quick off his EP joint a while ago. If I can find it. Hold on. Give me a second, y'all. I gotta get everything logged in. Alright.
Zeal. Great energy, enthusiasm, and pursuit of goals. Are you ready?
Yeah. Fuck me. Watch how you approach me. Maybe turn to that old me. You pay for it, owe me. Niggas say you want to proceed.
The joint moving.
Always sending shots. Wanna drop them like police. I go hard with the ease. Get on tracks like aha, man. This shit finna be a breeze. Keep around my enemies. Gotta keep the same energy. Gotta flow for EP. Make the EP sound like Timothy. I'm mad. Timothy. My bars like penitentiary. You a bad rap. I can clearly see the issue putting under your Christmas tree. Spot you flexing like a roof for me. I'm treating rap like a remedy. And ready for whatever comes with it. Everything inclusive with amenities. Brought some coffee to the game. Cause most of rappers was looking sleep. All you talk about is keep shining. That's not the way that it looks to me. Repeat offender that you look at me. Every show I do, the cops look for me. I've been working like a busy bee. Put rappers out of their misery. I don't politic with me, I'm working.
Alright. Oh, okay. I ain't even. It may seem like I'm capping, but I can't. Like, I don't know. Let me get on Amazon and let y'all know what the price of this joint was first.
What's up?
Hold on. Cause I don't know about y'all. Like I don't know if you can get the same quality or whatever. If you can feel that bass, but man. That joint was incredible. Like I said, you're thinking about price and all this stuff too. So don't, like, I know it's not. It's definitely not the loudest speaker I've ever heard in my life, type of thing. And I'm comparing it to this form factor, this size. You know, like all that. I apologize. I keep getting this out of the video. I ain't got long arms, but yeah. So what was we talking about? Price. The BUGANI Speaker here, waterproof, $68. I'm posting that link in the description. Description. Let me change tracks real quick. This is new for my guy. I ain't even heard this yet.
To the system. Don't do the beef and they won't want to dismiss me. Sipping on this Hennessy, it's all up in my system. I pray to God they let my dogs about them kennels. She's having problems, I don't know how I just fix it. Let alcohol keep her resolving all this issues. I just want a boss and when they call it free my business. I just pray that God can give me all of my 3 wishes. I tell my niggas I treat them boys like they my citizens. Went through it all, they never folded, never switched it. The ones I caught up with, they trying to handle business. We trying to ball like pick up games at LA Fitness. Gotta get wise and daily. We got a line to baby. I wanna cop a ring. Pull up on the block, man, my city drops the roof like a happy tank. Take to the top, bring my niggas with me, it's gifts we got to make. Can't believe I lost my dog to the system. Don't do the beef and they won't want to be dismissed. Sipping on this Hennessy, it's all up in my system. I pray that God may let my dogs about some killers.
Okay, I don't know how that happened, but if you ain't know, you already know. This a go. I ain't even gonna that's it. Like, it's a go. $68, you get all that sound, you get that build quality. That's a solid piece of equipment right there. So I'm gonna post a link in the description. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all thought the sound was, you know, look, I think it was great. Man, for that price too. Yeah. So anyway, hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what y'all think. Like, subscribe to the channel. It's your man. I'm out.